Doesn't this stuff look quite bizarre? To me it does. It's called black garlic. Apparently it's been around for a very, very, very long time, but like I've said, it looks bizarre. I've never heard of it before, but apparently it's a very powerful antioxidant, so we're going to take a look at it. Garlic is a pretty magnificent vegetable. There are very few, if any, more foods beloved and present in more kitchens than this bulb. Yeah, especially if you're of Irish or Scottish descent, it's pretty much in every food ever. Garlic is one of the most popular foods on the planet. It has been used for centuries in cultures all over the world. Cloves of garlic have been found in ancient Greek temples and Egyptian pyramids, including the tomb of King Tut. Yep. Back then, garlic was used not only to enhance the flavor and aromas of meals, but also ward off vampires. Today, a staggering 250 million, a quarter billion, yes we know, pounds of garlic are consumed every year in the United States alone. Wow! Unfortunately, much of our garlic is coming from distant lands rather than local growers. The one that I just get the tub, the minced garlic from Costco, and it's packaged in California, so I don't know. China produces 80% of the world's garlic, followed by India, South Korea, Egypt, and Russia. Oh, not anymore, comrade. In addition to its deliciousness, garlic has a long and impressive list of health benefits. Garlic is an antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. It boosts the immune system and fights infections, decreases your risk of cancer, and helps protect against cardiovascular problems such as atherosclerosis, buildup of plaque in the arteries, clotting, high blood pressure, and strokes. If you think the above list is impressive, take a look at what you can do when you get black garlic. What the heck is it? Black garlic is simply regular garlic that has gone through the process of fermentation. Makes a lot more sense now, so you might be able to get the prebiotic and the probiotic benefits once it goes through that fermentation process, because garlic also has immense amounts of prebiotic benefits, but through the fermentation process, many consumables that are out there boast those benefits. So we'll see. That's just my idea here at the outset. Chemically referred to as the Maillard reaction, the process is biologically quite complex. The garlic bulb is placed in the humidity-controlled room and heated to approximately 170 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 days. That sounds very annoying. The process causes the sugars in the garlic to caramelize, making it turn a distinctive black color. It also changes the texture and taste. Black garlic has a chewy texture and a sweet balsamic flavor. That sounds nice, actually. However, the most significant transformation is that in its black form, garlic is imbued with not just healing properties, but healing superpowers. Oh my god, it's like getting bit by a radioactive spider. Can I spin webs, or do I just shoot out garlic cloves? Because that would just help in general. Increasingly, allicin, the powerful antioxidant in raw garlic, is almost completely destroyed during the heating and aging process of creating black garlic. On the surface, it doesn't seem to make sense, as allicin is one of garlic's most potent health-boosting agents, but the fermentation process that produces black garlic is also a catalyst for an important transformation, turning allicin, a powerful antioxidant, into cytosine, SAC, which is even more potent antioxidant. It evolves. Oh my gosh, it's like Charmander to Charmeleon. How amazing. Black garlic's health benefits. Some of the most compelling discoveries about black garlic involve how the heating, moisture, aging, and resulting fermentation process enhances already existing nutrients and changes existing nutrients into new ones. Comprehensive review of black garlic's SAC content. The superior antioxidant effect of black garlic over regular garlic was found because of various complex mechanisms that illustrate how robust black garlic's antioxidant capabilities can be. One of the most beneficial actions of antioxidants is their ability to destroy free radicals within the body. Adding black garlic to your diet or taking a high quality supplement is worth it for the free radical fighting antioxidant benefits alone. It decreases inflammation, reduces cancer risks. How so? You could understand the inflammation risks because garlic already did that naturally, so it just gets supercharged, just like the antioxidants. Numerous studies demonstrate the black garlic is showing promise in its ability to destroy certain types of cancer cells. Black garlic is shown to increase apoptosis, the death of programmed cells, human leukemic cells, which increase cytotoxicity, toxicity of cells, cancerous ones, in the human lung Carcinoma, breast, adenocarcinoma, okay. Stomach, same word, and cancerous liver cells. The studies, black garlic, also decreased the volume and weight of tumors in human gastric cancer cells and inhibited colon cancer cell growth. That's very interesting, very interesting. Boosts the immune system, like garlic normally does, and also improves the cardiovascular system. If you have cardiovascular problems, black garlic might help, as it has been shown to decrease the risk of cardiovascular problems such as atherosclerosis. Just about got it that time. That's a tongue twister. Clotting, high blood pressure, and stroke. Study published in Frontiers in Physiology. Black garlic improved heart function in patients with coronary artery disease by improving circulating antioxidant levels. So it all centers around the antioxidant explosion that happens through the fermentation process. How to make black garlic? I guess. If you're feeling rowdy, it's right there for you. And the long and short of it is, black garlic is an antioxidant powerhouse that just basically supercharges garlic. And if you're looking for something that's a little bit less garlicky in taste, try the fermentation process and just see if the more chewy, balsamic-y taste and texture works out a little bit better for you. I guess it's just a nice little treat if you can get over the fact that it just looks so odd. Kind of looks like... it almost looks like those little candy garlic treats if you had just really terrible older relatives like I did. They just have really awful taste and candies, but you might remember those as well. But if that's the case for you, then you are in luck. With all that said, thank you all very much for the gift of your time. I've been Don Consuelo. I want you to follow your gut and get after it. Take care, everyone.